Hey everybody, welcome back to another video here at Stocktrac University. In this video we are going to be talking about how to set up ATD or NTDConnect within Stocktrac Enterprise. ATD is for US customers and NTD is for Canadian customers. It's basically the same integration, but we're going to go through the setup. First thing you want to do is you want to assign a vendor for ordering. So you want to go into vendor tracking and then click on vendors and then find your ATD or NTD vendor here. If they don't exist, then you're going to want to create one, and you just want to hit this new button right here to create one. So once I'm in here, you want to fill all this out, make sure that it's good to go. For testing purposes, for my setup, I'm just going to go right to ordering/categories here and delete that. And then in here, my ordering window. This is the kind of ordering type that you want to set up for that vendor. So we're going to hit add and we're going to choose ATD Connect. So whether you're ATD or NTD in this case, this is always going to say ATD Connect here. So you hit OK and OK again. And let's just close vendor tracking. So now that we did that, the next thing that we want to do is we want to go into point of sale. And then we want to actually map all of those manufacturers, to your Stocktrac manufacturers. That way, when you pull the parts back over, they're not coming over as custom parts, and you can keep track of them in your inventory better. So to do that, you want to go to Setup, and then you go to Integrations, ATD Connect Manufacturers. Now on this window, whether you're ATD or NTD, it'll say NTD Connect Manufacturers, or it's going to say ATD Connect Manufacturers, depending on your location. So you want to click that, and then it's going to bring up a list of the manufacturers here. On the left is going to show your ATD Connect manufacturers, and they got pretty much everything there. And then you got on your right here, you have the Stocktrac manufacturers. So what we want to do is we want to scroll down and see right here I have BF Goodrich. So you want to find the manufacturer that you're looking for in your Stocktrac inventory and select it. I've already had these pre-selected, but you would do that for each one of these that you have in your inventory. So once you have that done, then you can start actually using the catalog. So in order to use that, I'm going to just open up this test customer here. And then up here in the catalog, it says ATD Connect. Again, if you're US, it's going to say ATD Connect. If you're Canadian, it's going to say NTD Connect. So you just hit the Go button here. And then you get in here and then you find your tires. So I've got some Continental tires here. I'm going to select that. Looks like they've got 16 in stock, but I don't have any on hand in my store. So this is what I was talking about the mapping. So if I didn't map it, then it would say NA. But I'm sure there's some parts of these BF Goodrich tires here that aren't actually in your inventory, so it's not going to show anything on hand because it can't actually find that part. But we do have a BF Goodrich right here that shows that you've got 0 on hand. So it's just a part number issue of it not actually being in your inventory. If it existed, then it would show here. So let's just bring this Continental back into the ticket. And all you got to do is just hit transfer and exit here. So once you do that, you go to the items tab here. And then you got True Contact Touring Tire. Now, if you want to order this tire, if the customer agrees to everything and all looks good, down here in the bottom, you click on the order button, and then you want to say new, and you select your tire, and then you choose your vendor. So this is where we actually set the vendor up, for ordering. So you want to choose ATD. And then you got your ordering type here, ATD Connect. And then in order to order this, all you would do is just hit the order button, and then it's going to send it off to them. I'm not going to do that because I've got a live login here, and I don't want 4 tires showing up, at my door. So I'm just going to cancel this, and that's pretty much it. That's how you use ATD or NTD within Stocktrac Enterprise. If you like these videos, give us a like and subscribe to these videos. Um, Now, if you have any questions or comments about anything that you've seen here, you can either call our support department, or you can just leave a comment down below, and then we'll do our best to get back to you. Thanks, and have a good day.